To add a customer, in the We're On It software, navigate to the Orders clipboard on the left-hand side, and press Customers. At the top of the screen is an Add Customer button. Press this, and name the customer. Here we have various information to fill: telephone number, email, and account number, along with any extra notes. If you swap to the People tab, you can add similar information for people who might be relevant to the customer, i.e. employees. Next, in Addresses, you can add billing or delivery addresses for the customer. Fill in the required fields. On the Overview page, you can select your billing and delivery addresses from a list of all of the ones you have on record. The final tab is Discounts. Here you can see the product groups you can apply discounts to. These can be found in Products, then Product Groups.